Grinder out of Downing, Missouri, making his shot there, first tractor. It's 9,500-pound limited pro stock division, part of the Silver Series for the Soil Pro Pulling League. Tour, Fast Fuel Systems, 10,000 pro stock tractors. They can run up to a 680 cubic inch power plant. A single turbocharger as big as they want, as big as that power plant will handle. Right now, Doug Roof and the Roofless tractor pulled out to 322.5 feet. Mabry 966 International, called Running on Red, out of Columbia, Missouri. Had to be 322.5. This is a large class. Got David Novak, the main farmer. John Deere, give a round of applause. David Novak out of House, Nebraska. The mean farmer, 8410. Looks to me like he's going to take the lead with that pass, without a doubt there. Just to put the sled way past that leader mark. Novak, 335.32, the distance to beat. They ain't messing around. Yes, they did. They really did come to play hard, and they are trying to get everything they can out of this. They want to take all this money back to 4-1. He is going to take that lead away by 15 feet as of right now. Beyond Limits, Dustin Hart's going to go down to number 2. Whiskey Wild, Corey Bob going down to number 3. The River Rat is going to be now falling to number 4. And Hurricane Alice, Todd Dolman, he's going to be sitting there number 5. But Don Masterson just pull the night down. Ryan Phillips. Well, the Phillips with the heat, letter 8 to Jolly Green Giants. Jolly Green Giants, so definitely got himself sitting there decent with pulls out to 332.56 feet. Greg Markey, no mercy out of Columbia, Missouri. I thought we were going to have a new leader there as boy the old Rhino Ag. Buzzard Motorsports sled really put the kibosh on. And your leader is still sitting on this 4-1 limited pro side. Shoot the thrill, Chad Russell sitting there at 335.74. That is your current leader right now. wonder about Chris. I do agree with you. We had complete and utter shutdown there. Pros. Hey, is this your current points leader sitting over here on this side? Is this the Snuffy? Is this Tanner Michael? He's your #1 points guy right now in the Western Series. Unionville, Missouri, Tanner Michael, Snuffy. That thing is making some power in 2018. Going to be short of that distance needed, but I tell you what, man, when it got heavy, he just kept on pulling. International people, where are you at? John Deere in the lead, a binder at the line. Rodney Knott. The Naughty Boys International not going to get him, Chris. It is not going to get him. He tried to come out of that hole just a little harder than the other guys did. And you can kind of hear everything was just busting loose on him. The tires were really breaking loose and not getting much fight. But Cole Stanberry getting ready to turn it loose here on the Two Ruthless out of Downing, Missouri. He's got to be 3:35.74 to take out the John Deere of Chad Russell. International people, let him hear you down there. He can hear you if you make enough noise. Coming after the John Deere, Cole Stanberry out of Downing, Missouri. I tell you what, he's darn close to that John Deere, but I don't think he got there. Yeah, the Two Ruthless tractor, that tractor campaigned for the longest time by Brian or Ruthless. So we are ready to go. Unionville, Missouri. Looks like it. Calls it home. This is the Mullinex family. Ladies, help her out. Connie Mullinex. International 1066, they call the Gopher. You know, if she wouldn't have been looking at the stars a couple times, I think she'd have had the lead on that one. Yeah, it's kind of cloudy out here. I don't know why she'd want to be looking at the stars tonight. All you can see is a little bit of that moon, but she definitely got a good view of it. Oh, I can't do that yet. I gotta wait. I got a little bit of the show left to go. Congratulations, Glenn Davis. 295.34 feet. 295.34. That was for Josh Miley out of Madisonville, Kentucky on his John Deere called the Edge of Sundown. Here we go in the 4-1 class out of Omaha, Nebraska. There's Sutton. Bring it back. Got into that pretty rough bounce there a couple times, and boy, that took the distance away from him big time on that one. So, gotta love that. Running there, see one with it. That's Seth Novak, the Valley Hunter, out of Clarksville, Nebraska. pretty darn close, Chris. Out of Minnesota, the limited edition. All the way from Worthington, Minnesota, which really is pretty simple. They get on I-29 and they just drive straight south. Now he's currently your number 3 tractor in the points with the Champion Seed Western Series right now. I tell you what, it's pretty close, so we may have a new leader. I'm going to say yes. You're going to gamble and say yes. Category 5, Peter Norton, he's going to go 321.12. That is going to leave him in the number 8 spot. So Don Masterson on the Tinkerton is going to take away that win. Oh, he got close to those deers there. Had to be 336.82. Brett Hackstad out of Nashville, Illinois, the high-class hooker. The Holzhauer sponsored machine, Pace IH. Youngie makes a nice pass. May had to get on that right brake just a little bit to correct the path of that international as he was heading for that left boundary. Stove tops. And let him thank you. You work your tail off, and I will tell. Super clean, ladies and gentlemen, in the house or in the shop. You know how frustrating that is as a puller when you can see that lead marker out there and you're still moving and you just can't get there. You can push that throttle as far as... He's right there where he needs to be. Not sure if he got him or not, but it's going to be close. We got an international getting ready to tug at the sled here. John Deere's leading this thing. Let's make some noise for him. Quentin Hartfine out of Hartfine, Indiana, for international victory. It looks almost like you pulled identical to the pull with the last tractor. I was going to say really close. They're going to be about the same distance. I'm going to put him in about that. You know, I'm going to give him the benefit of that. I'm going to say he's going to go to that number 3 spot. I'm just Belton, Nebraska area, so. He did have a 3,200 RPM tractor that was for sale. Here we go, turn it loose. And again, Jeff Eberson out of Belton, Nebraska. 2017 Nebraska Bush Millers Points champion. This is Gone Road. With that clutch locked up on him at about, I'm going to guess 150, 175 foot, that front end went up. You could hear the RPMs kind of spike. He unloaded them rear tires and it came back down and locked back in and just lost all momentum. How many Ford fans we got? New Holland.
How many Ford fans?
Steve Hayes, Caleb Ford. Good looking tractor. Not going to win it tonight.
Pants are sexy.
Well short of that one unhooked and we'll get. Go first, Kyle Bentley loose over here, Chris. Out of Sibley, Iowa, the white loose here. Put your hands together. Out of Sibley, Iowa, Kyle Bentley. Looks like your number one tractor right now. Well, he got himself into a nice spot there. Got that thing. .com.
If that's on the website, you better
Joel
put
Van Gelder in the Fold 4 Farmer.
No.
Man, you can see that leader mark. You can just about reach out there and grab it. Just can't get there.
He's a pervert.
He's a pervert.
He's a whole pervert. That's all right. Is that why he took our picture?
0.34 feet. Again, the real deer, Justin Wagler, Morgantown, Indiana. Well, Justin Wagler on the real deer, I'll tell you, he just put himself a pass out there. You have a new leader. I don't even have to second guess on this one, but I'm going to guess estimation of about 370 feet.
371.
371 points.
Paul, did they?
Well, Marley wasn't there.
I should have worn it tonight.
I should have worn fucking tonight.
That would have been a fucking treat, wouldn't it? Big
would.
plastered on my back.
Yeah.
Meyer Farm football team. Rushville, Missouri. That would have been good.
Yeah.
If I knew she would have been here, I would have worn it.
I knew she could be here.
You should have gone. If she's here tomorrow, I'll wear it. I'll wear it.
I'll double dare you.
I will. I fucking will. I will.
about to 150 feet, and it's almost like there's a little launch pad out there. The front end comes up, and they are taking off really good from that spot on. Yeah, track. Riondo, looking down track, all green flags. Got to be 371 feet even. Right about Vernon, Missouri, no green, no boring. Now he had the gear set up for the earlier part of the track, and it has tightened up quite a bit out there as they're finding all kinds of traction here late in this class. Like you wanted to right away, I don't believe. Got it sitting there, easing out of the hole. Get that horsepower down to that track. Indiana in the lead, Wisconsin coming after him. Minnesota. Upset about that Wisconsin comment, probably. Put another 10 feet for that, I think, Chris. Well, I really thought whenever I saw him going down the track, I thought he had the lead. I was sitting up here going, yeah, I'm pointing at him, he's got the lead, he's got the lead, he's got the lead. And it's just like, the old Rhino Ag sled there just said, no, you don't.
Like, for real. Haven't been back since. Oh man, this is a paragraph. What is he saying?
Little aces, eights and aces, Randy Stuckenschneider. Back in the 80s, I'm a child of the 80s, man. Here we go, Bryce Mosley. Case IH the Black Mamba out of Downing, Missouri. He is chasing 371 feet even. Justin Wagner on the wheel there is your leader. Well, a John Deere's going to win it. There's one tractor left and it's a John Deere. Tough going for Bryce Mosley. Was heading for that left side boundary. Front end came down. I think he got on the brakes a little bit as well. Number one, Kyle Penley sitting there number two. Special edition Steve Bosman sitting number three. Risky Business Mike Martin sitting number four. And Meyer Performance R&D sitting there number five. Brian Buford out of Cahoga, Missouri. Last tractor of the class, last tractor of the night. Looking down track, all green flags. Got to be 371 feet. Calls it the Thunderbuck. Well, he's not going to take the win, but he is going to shake up that top 10 for sure. He's got to get himself, I think, into that top 5 area possibility. 340.6 is going to get him into that.